Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app and today we learn about sales order. So a sales order is a document generated by the seller specifying the details about the product or services ordered by the customer. Along with the product and service details, sales order basically consists of price, quantity, terms and conditions, etc. The dashboard of the Galla app. And today we learn about sales order. So to create new sales order, all you need to do is click on new SO. Now fill in all the details. The fields that are marked with red are the compulsory ones, so make sure you do not miss filling these details. Now, stage or the status refers to the fact that the order is approved or it's created. So whatever is the status, you can update it here. So here you have to fill the state, city, postcode, country, everything, the GST state code. Whatever details are being asked, you have to fill it. Alright. So now once this is done, you will scroll down and comes to items information. So here now you can select the items for which you are creating this sales order. So let's select some items randomly. Alright, so you can take as many as items you want. As of now, we have just taken this one product. So now you can adjust the list price, quantity, discount, text, anything you can adjust over here. Let's say the text you want to adjust or the discount, let's say you want to make it some 8%. So you can do it here. Quantity, whatever you want, you can make the adjustment here. However, if you want to erase this complete data, you can click on delete. Okay, once this is done, you can mention the terms and conditions, if any, whatever your terms and conditions are. If not, you can leave it blank and simply click on save. Sales order successfully added. Alright, so this is the order that we just created. You can see the details here. Now, if you want to see the details, you'll click on this icon. See, all the details are being displayed here. Now, here, by clicking on this, you can download this invoice information. If you want to make some changes in this, let's say you want to change the date or the shipping address, so you'll click on this edit button. Make the changes. Let's say we are making some changes in the shipping address and click on save. Sales order successfully saved. Alright, so from here you'll use this button to edit the details. This will be to duplicate and this icon you'll be using to print the invoice. Now here action, if you want to take, you can convert to invoice. Alright, now coming back to this page, this we have already discussed. This consists of invoice information. If you click on the delete button or the icon, the all information that you have just created will be deleted. Now here we have edit option. So if you don't want to go from here to here, so there is simply a shortcut to edit the details. You want to edit the address, simply go to this icon, edit the address, click on save. Alright, now once all this is done, you can export this data as Excel or CSV field. Let's say we want to do it in Excel. See, you'll just click on it and this will be downloaded. So this will be automatically saved to your desktop. So yeah, that's how you can create the sales order. I hope this helps you. Thank you.